Number 1. 1952 Monarch, priced at $7,800. In as-is condition, this car and others have been idle for about a year due to a delayed project. The body appears intact. The chrome on the front and rear bumpers still looks fairly good despite some dullness. The black paint on the body is still good with a few minor scratches and stains. Considering the car's age, it needs special attention. The interior is in fairly well-preserved condition despite not being used for a long time. The seats look intact without large tears, although there are signs of aging like small cracks or discoloration. The dashboard and steering wheel also look original, with some parts that may need a little restoration to bring back their original shine. The carpet and floor may need a deep cleaning to remove accumulated dust and dirt. Number 2. 1951 Ford Custom, priced at $7,300. This car previously functioned well, but the engine and transmission have been removed, and some interior parts are also missing. A new tilt steering column has been installed, and there are upgrades to the power steering system. The car has a new 8-inch differential and brakes. The front has been lowered using drop spindles and rear differential blocks. It is equipped with new SB-effered headers, a new custom gauge cluster, a new carpet kit, new chrome exterior door handles, and some other chrome pieces. The C4 transmission has been updated and is paired with a 289 V8 engine and a 1989 5.0-liter Ford roller cam engine. Some paint has peeled off due to exposure over the last 3 years. This car is very comfortable to drive, truly a smooth cruiser. I took it to Radium a few times before disassembling it. As mentioned, this beautiful car offers great potential for classic car enthusiasts who enjoy restoration, with many new components and upgrades, but it requires time and effort to restore it to its best condition. Number 3. (1947) Chevrolet Fleetline sedan, priced at $5,800. This two-door car is mounted on an 80s G-body chassis with air suspension. Powered by a 350 engine and a TH350 transmission from a 70s C10, it features an Edelbrock intake and headers, a 2.5-inch exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. The car is very solid and almost rust-free, with power brakes featuring front discs and rear drums, and power steering. It has an AccuAir air suspension system with 2 compressors and solenoid blocks that can control all 4 corners individually or together. The car runs and drives well but hasn't been used for several years. The owner also has the original dashboard and side trim for this car. It can also be exchanged for a muscle car project like a Chevelle, Tri-5s, or Mustang. It offers a unique combination of classic and modern modifications, with air suspension and a powerful engine ready to provide comfort and style when driven. Number 4. 1958 Chevrolet Del Rey, priced at $9,100. This car was bought new by the grandfather in 1958 and has always been kept at home. It has mostly been parked underground or in a garage. Everything works well, and there was never any hesitation in taking it out and enjoying it. This car has largely original paint and interior. The owner has bought new seat covers, but they are a different color and have not been installed. This well-maintained car with a long family history offers an opportunity to own an authentic and well-preserved vehicle.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Number 5. 1952 MG kit car, priced at $8,700. Built on a 1962 Volkswagen chassis, according to the description, this car still runs well, but the elderly owner no longer drives it. In good condition, this car with a cream and brown body has an interior that remains neat despite some wear on the leather seats. This vehicle has a charming classic look with a distinctive front grille, round headlights, and a spare wheel at the back. The dashboard features a wooden steering wheel giving a vintage touch and some functioning instruments.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you and I'm the only one.
Number 6. 1951 Chevrolet Style Line Deluxe, priced at $7,300. A very nice old car in outstanding unrestored condition. The third owner. The car ran when parked a few years ago. Will start but can't run the engine again. No time to fix it. Everything is there except for one armrest in the back, with professionally redone seats and door panels. This lightweight car basically only needs engine finishing and some brake work. It is equipped with the original 216 Ci engine and many additional parts. Come and see it. This car is very complete and could become a museum piece. It offers a rare opportunity to own an almost entirely original and unrestored classic car, ideal for collectors who value the authenticity and history of the vehicle. Number 7. 1950 Dodge, priced at $6,900. This car is in good condition with shiny dark green paint and a body that looks smooth without significant damage. The interior shows seats still in good condition, although there are signs of aging on the doors and other interior parts. The engine is well maintained despite some rust, indicating that the car still functions well. The trunk also looks spacious and clean. There isn't much description of this car, but it certainly runs well and is suitable for weekend use.
It's all the things you never show. There are
Number 8. 1958 Chevrolet Biscan, priced at $8,200. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine with a on-the-tree transmission. The exterior is in good condition with its original colonial cream color combined with plenty of chrome accents, giving it a charming classic look when driving on the road. Although not in perfect condition, this car is very suitable for driving. The interior is neat with a color matching the exterior, showing an authentic vintage charm.
Pull the choke out. Rum. Fires right up. 60,000.
Number 9. 1956 Pontiac Chieftain, 4-door, priced at $6,000. Almost rust-free with only 87,000 miles. The previous owner guarantees that the mileage is original, and the body condition supports this claim. Equipped with a 3-speed transmission on the steering column. The third owner. The engine was rebuilt about a dozen years ago and runs quietly, currently not running due to ethanol coagulation issues. This is not a car to be disassembled. It is complete and original, except for the radio. The existing radio is newer than 1956. It needs a new windshield. This car needs some repairs to return to operational condition. Many things have been repaired. Interior, exhaust, engine. A rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Number 10. 1947 Dodge 4. Door Special Deluxe Sedan, priced at $8,700, with original seats and roof lining. The exterior paint and all chrome trim are also original. The original documents are in good condition. Although the interior has some rust, the engine still runs well and only needs a little maintenance.
only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are
Number 11. 1950 Studebaker Champion Sedan, priced at $5,100. Driven 45,000 miles, it can run and be driven, equipped with white wall tires, not original tires, with very little rust. The floor and trunk are in good condition, with the radiator repaired and the water pump replaced. This Studebaker offers an opportunity for those looking for solid history and good physical condition.
set to rise. Here we go. You can take me there.
Number 12. 1950 Plymouth Deluxe, priced at $6,200. With a straight 6 flathead engine in very good condition, with all parts intact except for the front bumper. Includes rare accessories like fender skirts and window covers. Cars like this are increasingly rare to find in such good condition. This car runs smoothly and all functions operate well. It is an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a vehicle in prime condition with rare accessories. With its well-maintained functionality, this car offers high historical and aesthetic value, making it a valuable investment.
Never show.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, that's all.